Do you have a lot of tasks in your Notion database and struggle how to order them from most important to least important? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Eisenhower Matrix Method to organize all your tasks so that the most important can be done first. Let's get into it. The fundamentals of using the Eisenhower Matrix Method is that you can set the priority in which you do your tasks. From important and urgent, as in do now, important or urgent, or neither important or urgent, in which case it can be delegated to a later stage. So the first thing you want to do is open up my tasks template. As you can see, I've already got some examples set up, which we can also arrange in a priority matrix view, which I'll show you later on. We have do immediately, important, not important, or urgent, or urgent. And the easiest way to do these is edit your template. You set two checkboxes, label one important, label the second one urgent, and then you have a priority matrix, which is a formula property. So if we edit the property, and then I'll show you the formula. So I will make this big and put it on the screen so you can read it better. If you copy this exactly into that formula, it relates the two important and urgent checkboxes together. And once you have that entered as it is written correctly, hit save, go out of that, and then your priority matrix will be set to important, changes important. If you do urgent, it says urgent. If you do important and urgent together, it's do immediately, it is the priority. Or if you have neither, then it's not important or urgent, and you can delegate it to a later date. That is the basic way to set up a priority matrix in your tasks, and you can set the priority and the order in which you do your tasks, most important to least important. So to set the view, all we do is go to our little three dots, brings up your menu, and we're going to group by property, which in this case is going to be, these are all our properties, which is going to be priority matrix, and we can order them as such. That was out of order, but we can order them like that. So if we go out, do immediately, important or urgent, either way you can change them if you want to, and then not important or urgent, and that is the easiest way to do it. So now you can set your tasks in the order in which you need to do them, first to last. Leave the dates blank. So in today, for example, not important or urgent, I can either clear the date so it goes away completely, or I can delegate it to a later day in the week. And again, it goes away, but it doesn't matter. It's not important or urgent, and there it is there, which we can do on the 7th when I have a bit more time to do it. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can get notified of all my latest videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one.